Well, this is the last day of the year 2018. It's December the 31st, and I've come down here to the creek because we've had a lot of rain. And I want to go see that waterfall. Not this waterfall right here, but I want to see, I got boots on with my shorts. I want to walk across this creek right here. I know it's a tad bit deep, but we're going to walk across it. This is probably going to go over my boots. You've got to be careful. Even though it looks like this, I'm pretty familiar with the creek. I am. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful right there? It is. But look at this creek. And I'm going slow because I don't want to fall down. But I wanted to see this this waterfall up here. It's right over here. Look at that creek. It has not overflowed its banks yet. It hasn't. But I want to look at a good look at this waterfall. Well, I don't know which angle I want to go at. So we're going to go look. We've had some trees that have fell down. Look at that. It's beautiful. Over the years, it has dug out, well, more and more of the soil has eroded. Just look how this creek goes, all like this. I'm going to show you where it's coming from, because there is another pond up here. There's a pond up here that you can walk with me in the woods. I don't mind. There's another pond up here. This is the overflow from the pond up there, the other pond. In the woods, I'm coming outside and I am connecting with nature on the last day of the year. I am. But you can see what happened. This is the other pond, and it overflows. Oh, yeah, it is. That pipe right there is kind of clogged up. So not too much water is getting out of that, but it's enough water. But this is the other pond behind the house. And I'm not going in this water because it's deep. And I don't have a little boat up here. But I just wanted to share that waterfall with you. And just look at the creek, how it goes through the woods. We are gonna look at that waterfall one more time. We are. Because I do love nature. This might be a tad bit of a long video, and I can't do a live video because I don't have a signal out here in the woods from the house. I don't. If I'm not careful, I'm going to fall down. But that's okay. It doesn't matter how many times I fall down in life, I'm going to get back up. So the same you can say of yourself. It doesn't matter how many times I fall down in life, I'm going to get back up. Okay? It doesn't matter. If you fell down this year in your life, you have areas of your life where you just fell down flat on your face, that's okay. 2019 is a new year, and you can get back up and you can start anew. It ain't the end. You fall down, you get back up. It seems to be a reoccurring thing in life with people. I don't know anyone who doesn't fall down. Yeah. So we're going to look at this one more time. I just hope that was a good view because I don't know how to flip this thing around anymore. This camera on this phone. I don't. But it feels good to get outside. It feels really wonderful to get outside and walk in the woods. Because this really is me. This really is me. The outdoors, that's me. This is what I did before taking those pictures all the time. I did things outdoor. I was hiking and all this kind of stuff. I heard a noise. It sounded like a person's voice, but it's just the creek. It is just the creek. Sometimes you have to go against the current in life. Just like me, I'm walking against the current. I am. Sometimes you got to go against the current. Isn't it a beautiful sound? It is. It's beautiful. I'm probably going to end this video now. I'm standing in the water. I am with my boots. Look. It's just a rock and plastic. Well, I hope everybody has a good ending to the year 2018, and I hope that the year 2019 is a beautiful year for you.